Hey guys, welcome to my channel Lifestyle Tech. I hope you guys are doing absolutely well and good. Well guys, it has been quite some time that I have not released any video, and I thought what better way it could have been than to announce the giveaway result. Yes guys, as promised, in today's video I'm gonna announce the giveaway result for the Amazfit Bip U Smartwatch. Now I have reviewed this product earlier and I have showed my initial usage of this product, and this smartwatch is really fantastic, and there are a lot of features which are available in this smartwatch which you normally find in many high-end smartwatch these days. And this device works absolutely well, and it has got a lot of exercise features and workout features which you can utilize. Now like I have told you about the giveaway, that I will pick one winner through random comment picker, and I will email the winner with all the details that I would require to ship the product. Now without doing any delay, let's go straight to my computer screen and let's find out who the winner is. So guys, now let's go straight to my computer screen. So as you can see here in my computer screen, I have already typed in random comment picker, and this is the website through which I'm gonna find the one winner. As I enter the website, you can see here that I need to enter the YouTube video URL. Now I have already opened my YouTube channel, and I will just copy the link for the video. And the video you can mention here, giveaway Amazfit Bip U Smart watch. Now the link has been copied, and I will paste the link here. And the second thing that I will do is that I will filter duplicate users. If there are any duplicate users or duplicate comments, or more than one comment to anyone who has given. Now let's see the YouTube comments that I have received on the video. So there are 25 unique comments that I have received in this video, and let's find out who the winner is. Now to find out the winner, here I need to click on the start button, start raffle, and pick random winner. So let's start and see who the lucky winner is. So the winner, as you can see here, is Baluji. He says it's an awesome watch and I need this to gift it to my father. And I think that's a really good thing that you wanted to give something to your father, and I would like to congratulate Baluji for winning this smartwatch. I hope this watch will be helpful for you, and what I will do is that I will ping you in the comment box, and I will send my email address to you so that you can share all the details with me and I can courier this smartwatch to you. So guys, thanks for watching this video, and I will do more giveaways in my channel, and do keep on participating, and I hope that one day you all guys can win something or the other from my YouTube channel. Please do keep supporting my channel, and do keep on subscribing and liking my YouTube channel for more such content and videos related to technology. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one.